guys, it's Harry. How are y'all doing today? Today's short is about screen recording. That's all. I'm just trying to keep my videos 3 to 4 minutes long so I don't waste your time. Please hit this like button and the subscribe button to help my channel grow and to help other struggling newbies get up and running faster. So with that said, let's get started. We're going to teach you how to screen record, that's all, in about 3 minutes. The first thing you want to do is go to the scenes section and hit the plus button at the bottom of your screen. And you're going to name it whatever you want to call it. Screen capture, monitor capture, you name it, whatever you want to do. Call it your beautiful garden. It doesn't matter as long as you know what it means. I have mine called display capture screen. And then you go to your sources. And my source is my computer screen. I named it computer screen 2. So you can name it whatever you want, but it'll give you the same option. You click on it. I can't do it now because I am recording, but you'll click on it, you'll get a little box up here, and you name it. It cannot be the same name that you name these. It won't allow you, so you have to name it something different. The next thing you want to do is come over to the audio mixer. Make sure it's working. See, the bars are moving. That means my sound is working. And over here mine says stop recording because I'm in the middle of recording. But if I wasn't recording yet, it would say start recording. And you just hit the button, and right down here in your little emblem, it'll show the black circle, which represents OBS Studio, and it has a red dot in the center of it. Now, if you want a shortcut, so you're not having to move your mouse over here and everyone see what you're doing, you go up here to the file, hit the settings, come over here where it says hotkeys, and right here it says start recording and stop recording. You can put something here for you to stop recording and start recording. I have the insert button, so without moving the mouse, so y'all don't see what I'm doing, I can hit the insert button and it'll stop recording, or I hit the insert button and it'll start recording. Either or. And as simple as that, you'll start recording. Now you can record multiple different things. Like I've got, this is my city night overlay. So if I wanted to record my little avatar in this scene, there she is. She's in the scene and I can record. Then I have my intro, which you've all seen. Then I have my computer screen, which is right here. And the way I got to that, guys, in case you haven't seen my first video, is you hit this minimize button up here. And that's all you have to do. I sure hope we were still capturing all this because I'm moving it around. Alright guys, that's the end of my video. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Talk to you soon. Love you guys.